King Anarawd, or Anarawd ap Rhodri, was a king of Gwynedd in North Wales during the Dark Ages of Britain. His father was Rhodri the Great, one of only 3 Welsh leaders to have been bestowed as great, the other 2 being Llywelyn the Great and St. Lucius the Great. Rhodri had united most of North Wales through inheritance and the conquests of other petty Welsh kingdoms. This meant that when his son Anarawd succeeded him in 878 AD, he had quite a formidable kingdom in all of Wales. Anarawd had 2 younger brothers. The first, Cadell ap Rhodri, was king of Saesolwg, which was a minor kingdom in the southwestern region of Wales. This area later became the Kingdom of Deheubarth. Anarawd's younger brother was Merfyn ap Rhodri, who is believed to have ruled the Kingdom of Powys up until his death in 900 AD. Many believed he was overthrown by his older brother Cadell and thus lost his kingdom to him, while some sources credit his death to Viking raids on Anglesey, led by Ingemundr. The 3 brothers together were formidable and known as the Welsh Triads, or the 3 diademed princes of the Isle of Britain. Diadem is a type of crown that was used back then. The 3 brothers were consistently at war with the neighbouring Mercians, even defeating Aethelred in 881 AD at the Battle of Conwy, which was later referred to as God's vengeance for Rhodri. While Cadell turned on his brother, Anarawd allied himself with the Danish King of York, protecting himself from further Mercian attacks. This alliance did not last long, however, and soon Anarawd was allying himself with Alfred the Great of Wessex. This alliance allowed Anarawd to repel further Viking attacks in North Wales and also sack the lands of Ceredigion, which belonged to his brother Cadell. Thank you for watching, everyone. I want to end this video by giving a special shout out to History with Hilbert. I will link his channel in the description below. He was a big inspiration for me making this video, and I just want to give him a special mention here, so please go and check him out. He does lots and lots of these type of videos. I also want to mention Lord Rexasaur and Buster McNasty Gaming. Both of them actually watched the first draft version of this video and gave me a couple of pointers and tips to improve upon it, so big shout out to both of them as well. What I'll do, I'll leave a link to their channels in the description. Also, please let me know what you thought of this video in the comments section below. Like I said, this is my first time doing this kind of video. I am hoping to make this into a series, so initially I will be looking at Welsh history such as the Kingdom of Gwynedd as a whole. We'll be looking at Owain Glyndŵr. We'll be looking at more recent history, the Merthyr Rising. Basically anything to do with Wales I will be doing, and then maybe I will branch out into other eras of history as well. Anyway guys, thank you so much. I've been Dragonheart. Until next time, goodbye. Thank you for watching the video. I want to say a massive thank you to all my patrons and all my sponsors on YouTube Gaming. They're currently on the screen right now. For more information, check out all the links in my description and check out the links on the screen as well.